Hi, this is Joseph Labrecque, and I'm going to be showing here some of the new features in Adobe Edge Preview 6. The feature I'll be showing in this video is the new code panel. So you might be used to the Actions panel at this point, which is of course accessed a variety of different ways through Edge. So let's click on one of these little actions here, and you can see that my action actually comes up in the Actions panel where I can edit the JavaScript associated with this. So my click event, I've got a mouse over and a mouse out event on here as well. So the Actions panel shows us a little snippet of the code that's actually involved in a project. But what if we want a big view of the code in the project? What if we actually want to just look at all the code? Well, we can do that through the code panel. So go to Window in the application toolbar and click on this new code option here. And what comes up is this code panel. This is a panel so it can be docked just like anything else in the interface. So I usually dock it up with my actual stage here, my HTML document. And we can have a look at all the different code associated with this particular movie here. So we have code on our stage, and we also have code that's associated with our preloader here, if we have any code on there. I don't at this time for this particular example, but if you had some there, it would definitely show up, and you can actually add stuff here if you want, so the loading action. So going in here, I can click through any of these items and see the code that's actually associated with each of them. I can add code through here, so event code, and we can see we have the full range here. We can add elements. We can add timeline code or triggers, right? And we can also go through here and toggle the code snippets panel, which you would normally see in the Actions panel. And then we've got this little button right here. So this actually loads in the entire JavaScript actions file from our project. So if we click that, this all kind of fades away, and we can actually move it to the side if we want. And we can see that this is the actual actions file here with all of our different bindings and so forth for any of our particular symbols. And this can be toggled on and off through that little button right there. So the code panel, like I say, it can be docked anywhere. I keep it right here because I can just easily switch between any of these guys that I want to. So that is a basic overview of the code panel in Adobe Edge Preview 6.